How to change your email in Totaljobs quickly. So hey guys, on today's video, I'll be teaching you how to change your email in Totaljobs quickly. To change your email in Totaljobs quickly, all you need to do is open up your Totaljobs right here. So as you can see right now, once you open up your Totaljobs, next thing we need to do right here is click on profile, bottom right corner. So here, once you're here profile, something went wrong. I don't know what's wrong. Anyways, click on the top right corner on the settings icon right there. After pressing on that right there, click on right over here, connected accounts. There you go. And here, as you can see right now, to change your email in Totaljobs quickly, so what I'll do is click on unlink. And as you can see right now, we have unlinked our email account right here. So now, wait, we can unlink it again. There you go. So yeah, that's why it's a little bit bugging because so I think wait, we got try. I think it's a little bit bugging, but yeah, there you go. Once you have done that right there, oh yeah, it's supposed to say link a Gmail account, but right now it's not working. So yeah, it's supposed to say link a Gmail account, but if you see this persistent, just restart your phone or re-download the app. But yeah, there you go guys. Once you're done unlinking it, you can link it to a new Gmail account or a new Google account. Then you'll just have to wait for the verification code, and once you receive the verification code, then you're done. Enter the password and then re-log in again, and then you're done. You will have yourself a new account here on Totaljobs. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have question concerns, type it out question, but guys, happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. And thank you guys.